Welcome. In today's video, we'll go over how to allow people you follow to tag you in photos on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. This guide will help you manage your photo tagging preferences with the latest update for better control over your privacy. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, look toward the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several icons there. Find the one labeled More and click on it to open the menu. Next, choose Settings and Privacy from the list. This is where you can control how others interact with your profile and posts. Inside your Settings menu, click on Privacy and Safety to access your privacy controls. From there, select Audience, Media, and Tagging. This section lets you decide who can interact with your posts, photos, and media. After that, look for the option called Photo Tagging and click on it. Now, you'll see a switch or toggle that allows you to enable or disable photo tagging entirely. Turn it on to allow photo tagging. Once enabled, you'll have different tagging options to choose from. To make sure only the people you follow can tag you, select the option that says only people you follow can tag you. That's it. You've now successfully set your X photo tagging preferences so that only your followers can tag you in photos. This setting helps reduce random tags from unknown users and keeps your profile interactions more personal and controlled. Before you go, consider exploring other privacy options under the same privacy and safety section to fine-tune your account's privacy even further. Adjusting these settings can help you create a safer and more enjoyable experience on X. Thanks for watching.